Number 1. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,999, that has been driven approximately 1,000 miles. Featuring an automatic transmission, a striking green exterior, and a brown interior, it offers a timeless look that stands out wherever it goes. The truck has been professionally lowered with a proper C-notch, giving it an aggressive and desirable stance while preserving a smooth and comfortable ride. It runs and drives exceptionally well, providing reliable performance and confident handling whether cruising through town, attending local shows, or enjoying weekend drives. Beyond its attractive appearance, the Sierra 1500 is equipped with cold air conditioning, making every drive more comfortable in warm weather. Its solid and dependable drivetrain delivers the reliability expected from a classic GMC truck, while the overall condition reflects careful ownership and consistent maintenance. The interior remains inviting and complements the exterior perfectly, creating a classic truck that looks as good as it performs. Clean, lowered, and ready to hit the road, this GMC Sierra 1500 presents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a stylish and dependable. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800, powered by a freshly rebuilt 350 V8 engine board .030 over and paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck delivers strong and reliable performance. It is also equipped with a 3.31 Posey rear end and Beltec front drop spindles, enhancing both drivability and stance. Showing approximately 62,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck is finished in brown with a matching brown interior, giving it a period-correct appearance that complements its classic character. While it presents nicely from a distance and has a solid overall appearance, the exterior paint could benefit from refinishing to bring out its full potential. There are small areas of visible rust that should be addressed, and the original wooden bed floor will eventually need replacement. However, the bed is currently fitted with a durable plywood liner that remains functional and provides practical protection. Overall, this Chevrolet C10 stepside represents an excellent opportunity to own a classic truck with strong mechanical foundations, tasteful upgrades, and plenty of room for cosmetic improvement or personalization. Number 3. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. Showing approximately 1,000 miles, it features a green exterior and matching green original interior, while running on gasoline. The truck runs and drives great and has recently undergone a full tune-up, including a rebuilt carburetor, new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, a fresh oil change, and a transmission service with new fluid in filter. Factory-equipped features include air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, dual fuel tanks, and dual exhaust, making it a desirable and well-equipped square-body Chevrolet. All interior and exterior lights are in working order. The power windows and locks function properly, and the air conditioning blows cold. The interior remains original, preserving the truck's classic character, while the body shows the typical rust commonly found on square-body trucks of this era. 2 used GM fenders are included with the sale, and the vehicle comes with a clean title in hand. Number 4. 2000 Ford F-150, price $9,988, is a well-maintained and dependable pickup truck with 153,000 miles, powered by a gasoline engine and automatic transmission. Featuring a blue exterior and black interior, it offers a comfortable driving experience with XLT leather seats while maintaining the toughness and reliability expected from the F-150 lineup. Equipped with a 2-speed manual shift-on-the-fly transfer case, a 6,250-pound GVWR, and a maximum payload capacity of 1,610 pounds, this truck is ready for both work and everyday use. Its front torsion bar and rear leaf spring suspension provide a smooth ride, while practical features such as the 6.5-foot pickup box, chrome step bumpers, and built-in safety features add to its versatility and value. Number 5. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. It has been driven 164,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Featuring a black exterior and gray interior, the truck has always been maintained by a professional mechanic shop in Wiggins. The engine runs great, the transmission operates smoothly, the air conditioning blows cold, and the tires are in good condition. While the truck presents well overall, it is not a show vehicle. The paint has faded over the years, and there are several scratches, dings, and a dent on the passenger side that would require bodywork if a perfectly straight appearance is desired. The only known issue is a faulty driver's window switch, which has caused both power windows to stop working. Other than that, the truck is considered road-ready and does not require any immediate mechanical repairs. Number 6. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,000, powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain. With approximately 149,000 miles, a burgundy exterior, a gray interior, and new BFG 265/75 or 16 tires, it presents as a well-maintained full-size pickup ready for daily driving, work, or recreational use. The truck has benefited from extensive mechanical maintenance, including major engine service, replacement of multiple gaskets and sensors, fuel system components, and ignition system parts. The braking, suspension, and steering systems have also been refreshed with numerous new components, helping ensure reliable performance and dependable operation. Number 7. 1996 Ford F-250, price $9,000. It has approximately 93,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline-fed 460 V8, 7.4L engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a blue interior, this factory-equipped 2WD truck features a 4.10 limited slip rear axle and comes with fully functional cruise control, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, and a power driver's seat. The interior has been exceptionally well maintained, with flawless upholstery, excellent carpeting, a crack-free dashboard, and an original leather-wrapped steering wheel that remains in excellent condition. Recent updates include a new JVC stereo, brand new tires with less than 3,000 miles of use, a 6-month-old battery, replacement headlight assemblies, and upgraded LED headlight bulbs. The engine runs strong and performs as expected, with the only known issue being an exhaust leak at the driver's side exhaust manifold that may occasionally trigger the check engine light. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet K20, price $6,500. It has been driven approximately 165,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 350 cubic inch, 5.7L, gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a brown exterior with a tan interior, this classic truck combines rugged capability with vintage styling. The vehicle is equipped with a dual Dynaflow exhaust system and was factory-built without catalytic converters. Its four-wheel drive system features a manual shift transfer case with lockout hubs, providing dependable off-road performance. Additional equipment includes factory air conditioning, which is currently inoperative, a worn 12,000-pound winch that requires repair, and a Bluetooth stereo for modern audio connectivity. Number 9. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,000, powered by a reliable 350 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck shows 11,000 miles on the odometer, although the actual mileage is unknown. It features a classic brown and white two-tone exterior complemented by a burgundy interior, giving it a distinctive vintage appearance. Mechanically, the vehicle is sound and was recently inspected by Baker's Automotive, which has also performed its regular servicing. The truck is equipped with a newly upholstered bench seat, a diamond plate toolbox in the bed complete with lock and key, and diamond plate front and rear bumpers with a hitch receiver. Additional highlights include chrome wheels fitted with Super Sport Futura GLS tires, a dual exhaust system, and the original owner's handbook. New replacement parts are also included with the sale. Number 10. 1987 GMC 1500, price $3,500. The odometer currently shows 35,000 miles. However, it is assumed that the actual mileage may be approximately 135,000 miles. All gauges are functioning properly. The truck is powered by a 350 cubic inch fuel-injected V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It runs well and has recently been fitted with new tires. The passenger side fuel tank has a new fuel pump installed. The power steering pump is currently beginning to fail, but a replacement pump is included with the sale. The vehicle comes with a branded title.